we're going to make the best cough syrup in the world. The ones that we buy are not good. They have chemicals, and the chemicals are not good. So what we're going to be using is lime, apple, and honey. First, we're going to cut the apple and the lime, because those ones have chemicals. They're not good for you. So what we're going to make is the best cough syrup in the world. Now we have cut our lime and our apple, we're going to put it into the blender. But first, we should put a cup before all of the juice comes out. Then we'll on it. Now, what we're going to put in is honey. Now, this one is the exact cough syrup, the same one that you get from the pharmacies and where you get from the hospital. So, to make it sweet, we'll add some honey. Now, I have to drink it. So, it's good. And it's very good for your health, and the other ones are bad. So, make this kind of cough syrup. Do you want some of my cough syrup? It's very nice.
Yes. And some. The color is gone.
So, if you give this to your children and your adults 3 times a day in 3 days, the cough will go and run away. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.